Hi,
Hello
Lola
po!
Loida. Hi, Lola James. Congratulations on your engagement. I wish you all the best and happiness for all the years to come.
Hello po, Nanay and Daddy James. Congratulations po. Ang wishes po namin sa inyo ay good health po at enjoy your life. Congratulations po.
Hello, Daddy James and Mother Dear. Gusto ko maging masaya kayong dalawa. Enjoy your life. Mag-enjoy kayo, magsaya kayo. Ang tawag doon ay wow na wow.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
Congratulations po.
We love you po.
Okay na? Hello, Naya and Daddy James. Congrats for your engagement.
Congrats ha!
Congrats po.
Congrats po!
Nana and Daddy. Nona and Daddy James. Nona?
Nona and Lolo James.
Aga. Mati ka ba?
Congrats po, Nay. Kay Daddy James. Thank you po.
Okay na.
So, I received great news, and first and foremost, I'd like to congratulate my loving grandmother and James on their engagement. James, you're a lucky man. I haven't met you or spoke to you, but I have a feeling that my grandmother got lucky as well. When I first heard the news, I didn't know how to react. I mean, getting to witness your grandparents get married is not one of the things I imagined would happen in my life. And it's about to happen twice. That's amazing. Anyway, moving on. I'd like to wish my Lola and my about to be Lola the very best, and yeah, I hope to see the both of you soon.
Congratulations, Mami Loida. Happy kami para sa iyo because finally nakita mo na ang yung the one na makakasama mo habang buhay. You deserve all the happiness in life. Marami ka ng sinakripisyo para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. So deserve mo maging masaya at isipin ng para sa iyo naman this time. So Daddy James, congratulations also because you find a true and precious gold in the name of Mami Loida. Please take good care of each other. Wishing you all the best and happy life together. May your love story continue forever. So congratulations again.
Congratulations, Nana Lloyds and Daddy James. I'm so happy for the two of you. You finally found the right person at the right time. I hope and pray for your long years of togetherness. Stay happy and healthy. God bless. Bye.
Hello. Our dear beloved and supportive mom, Nanay Loida. We are happy that you found a man that would bring further joy to your life. To Sir James, we trust that you will be her strength and that will give her the happiness that she deserves. From the Los Reyes family, congratulations, Nanay Loida and Sir James. Congrats!